My name is Aiden Cordner. I'm 10 years old and I attend Vista Bella Presbyterian School. Today I'm going to speak about a very sensitive topic that my standard 3 teacher, Miss Daniel, made me aware of: pollution. There are 4 main types of pollution, but today I'm just going to discuss 2. Firstly, air pollution. There is something we desperately need and can't stop doing. It's breathing. We as humans need oxygen to stay alive. How our air gets polluted and what we can do to improve the quality of air we breathe. Air pollution consists of toxic chemicals and other harmful particles that have an adverse effect on our health and ecosystem. Natural sources like volcano eruptions, dust storms, allergens, and forest fires contribute to air pollution. But most of the air pollution today are created by humans. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that has the biggest effect on global warming. Carbon dioxide is emitted into the atmosphere by burning fossil fuels, coal, gasoline, and natural gas. We humans have come to rely on fossil fuels to power cars, planes, heat homes, and run factories. Doing these things pollutes the air with carbon dioxide. Greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone all contributes to global warming. Air pollution accounts for an estimated 4.2 million deaths per year due to stroke, heart disease, lung cancer, and chronic respiratory diseases. Both adults and children are affected. In 1952, the Great Smog of London claimed more than 10,000 lives. But years after that, we didn't learn our lesson and still continue making the same mistakes. Here are some tips we can do to reduce air pollution and improve the quality of air we breathe. Riding a bike or walking instead of driving. Turning off lights and appliances when they are not in use. Using energy-efficient light bulbs and appliances. Carpool or use public transportation when possible. Buy a car that has greater fuel efficiency. Last but not least, plant and grow as many trees as possible. The practice of planting trees provides a lot of benefits to the environment and helps with the release of oxygen. There are many more ways to help prevent and reduce air pollution, so do your part today. Water pollution. Just like air, humans and other living things need water to survive. Did you know that more than 5 million people die each year from drinking contaminated water? Water pollution is when waste chemicals or other particles cause a body of water, like rivers, oceans, and lakes, to be unsafe for human use and disrupts aquatic ecosystems. But the most crucial question is, what causes water pollution? Sometimes water pollution can occur from natural activities, such as animal waste, volcano eruptions, silt from floods, and algae blooms. However, we humans are the main contributors of water pollution. Through dumping industrial waste, oil spills, fossil fuels combustion, chemical fertilizers, sewage, dumping of garbage in bodies of water, and pesticides used by some farmers. These activities make our water polluted, and once consumed, it can lead to dangerous diseases such as hepatitis, cholera, and other deadly infections. Water pollution can have a disastrous effect on the environment. Pollution in the water can reach to a point where there isn't enough oxygen in the water for fish to breathe. Sometimes pollution affects the entire food chain. Small fishes absorb pollutants such as chemicals, then bigger fishes eat the smaller fishes and get pollutants too. Birds or other animals that eat the bigger fishes also get pollutants in their bodies. And sometimes we humans consume these contaminated fishes and animals. Everyone needs to contribute in order to keep our water healthy. Do it for your environment. Do it for your future. So let's begin with these simple steps. Fix leaking faucets. Don't leave them running. Make sure dangerous chemicals are never thrown directly into sinks or toilets. Keep the use of fertilizers and pesticides at a minimum. Always pick up any trash laying around, even if it isn't yours. Let's think before we act. Another way to reduce pollution is to practice the 3 R's concept. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Those who know me know I love beaches and rivers, and it hurts me to see people littering. So let's be responsible and dispose of our garbage in bins available to us. I hope my video today made you aware of the dangers of pollution and gave you some ideas on how we can keep a healthier, cleaner world for our generation and future generation to come.